With high dynamic range HDR content becoming increasingly common today, do traditional standard dynamic range SDR video seem a bit lackluster? This video will explain the difference between the two and show you how to quickly convert your SDR footage to crisp HDR video using AI technology. In brief, SDR standard dynamic range is the video format we've traditionally used. It has a fairly limited range for both colors and brightness, which means it can truly capture the rich hues and subtle light and shadow details found in the real world. The HDR high dynamic range, on the other hand, offers a much wider color range and a significantly higher dynamic range for brightness. This translates to a more vibrant and immersive viewing experience. Today, many displays, TVs, and even smartphones support HDR. If you're still watching SDR videos, you're not fully tapping into your device's potential, missing out on tons of visual detail and breathtaking color. And that's precisely why converting your SDR videos to HDR is so beneficial. Of course, you could try manually adjusting SDR videos to achieve an HDR-like effect using traditional video editing software. However, this typically demands highly specialized color grading skills and a significant amount of time and effort. It's also very difficult to accurately simulate true HDR, often leading to issues like color distortion, burnout highlights, and lost shadow detail. Now, with the power of artificial intelligence, converting SDR to HDR has become far more intelligent and efficient. AI video enhancement software can learn from vast amounts of HDR video data to intelligently analyze the characteristics of your SDR footage. It then automatically expands the color and brightness ranges, simulating a look much closer to true HDR. Today, I'm thrilled to recommend an outstanding AI video enhancement tool, Convert Video Enhancer. Convert Video Enhancer has powerful AI models that can transform your SDR video into stunning HDR with just one click. Simply import your SDR video, select the SDR to HDR model from the list, and Convert intelligently analyzes and expands your video's dynamic range and color space. You'll see the converted video gain richer colors, more abundance in depth, and beautifully reveal shadow and highlight details that were previously lost. The entire visual experience takes a giant leap forward. Furthermore, Convert is incredibly simple to operate. Even beginners in video editing can pick it up with ease. You simply need to import your SDR footage into this program and choose the SDR to HDR model on the right. Then, you can preview the HDR effect and click the Export Full Video button to send out the result. Whether you want to breathe new life into cherished old family videos on your modern TV, boost the visual impact of your gaming footage and flaws, or restore old movies that lack vibrant colors, Convert Video Enhancer can help you effortlessly convert SDR to HDR, delivering a much more immersive viewing experience. To sum up, AI SDR to HDR technology, especially with excellent tools like Convert Video Enhancer, offers us a simple and efficient way to let our SDR videos enjoy the stunning color and detail that HDR brings. If you're interested in SDR to HDR conversion or want to experience the powerful features of Convert Video Enhancer, feel free to click the link below the video to learn more. Or, would you prefer method for enhancing video quality? Share your thoughts in the comment section. If this video helped you out today, don't forget to like it, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for more video editing and AI tech insights. We'll see you next time. Bye.